All right, guys. Super quick. Actually, no, probably won't. I don't know if it's gonna be quick or not. I lied to you guys. All right, all right. Trade recap here. So, trade recap today was pretty decent. Okay, but this past couple of days haven't been decent. I haven't posted a trade recap in a while. Mainly that's because I have been on vacation, and when I got back, or when I was on vacation, completely horrible. And when I got back, like I had one bad day, and well, I had a good day today. So let's just get right into the trade recap. So today, right? Today. Where are we looking? Tuesday. Wait, today's Wednesday. What am I looking at? Okay, perfect. So going into the day, had my London high, London low, marked out 7 a.m. Blah blah blah. Okay, so I'll show you guys exactly what I was looking at. This was exactly what I was looking at here, right? I'm gonna rectangle this area over here. This area where like the wicks keep coming up and touching it, I have that marked out as a liquidity zone, right? Because in these areas that price taps into and continues to tap into, price has a rejection off of. So I took a trade off the liquidity zone. Liquidity zone. This is also my London high, right? Which I use as a confluence too, because if it sweeps my London high, I'm expecting for moves higher, which, if you guys see, was a big move high to the high. So look, I had one trade today, or no, I had way more than one trade, but this was the trade that I caught and like I ran with. So I took this trade at literally exactly 8:47, right? And I took it on this candle, right? And what I had going on here was I had a limit order, right? Like I had a resting order right over here at this low. And so it filled my order. I had my stop loss. I waited for a couple candles and I had my stop loss right above here, right? And my take profit was this level up here, right? At least that was my first take profit. So what that looks like is right here. Long. Okay. Yeah. Right here. And I waited for this candle to close to find my stop loss. So this was the trade, right? And to be honest, there was only two confluences, which is the London high, which we swept, and then the liquidity zone, right? And what's it called? I don't know what to say about this trade. I mean, it was pretty basic trade for me. I could have caught the way bigger move had I probably waited, but this just looked like a really good setup for me. And I think I made some at 54,527. And today I was at, like, before that I was at 53. Let me just look at fucking Top Step. Oh, this isn't refreshed. I also did blow two other accounts that I had, which is unfortunate, but it's okay because I'm writing with this one. Okay, here's the account. So I had 53,188. So yeah, I mean, that was the trade of the day. Had I probably waited till market open, because this would have been beautiful. I mean, look at this. This is like textbook, like sweep of the London high, and just like bang. Like you probably could have caught the nastiest trade here. Taking the Gann box right here, up here, take profit all the way up at that level, which is a bit preposterous, but I mean, whatever. But yeah, no, that was a pretty major trade that I missed out on, which is fine. I don't really care. I got the fucking perfect trade that was literally just legs up. Like, at least I didn't have to worry about all this shit. But yeah, pretty solid trade. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.